on the sambal potato recipe shared just yesterday. Today, we're making a creative recipe with leftover sambal potatoes. Don't waste overnight dishes.
Sambal potatoes fried rice tastes incredibly delicious, and you can even taste the potato chunks. It's so tasty. Ingredients: rice, sambal potato, corn kernels, lettuce, egg, carrot. Although it's fried rice made with overnight dishes, adding extra carrots and corn kernels not only makes it more colorful, but also more nutritious and delicious. Peel and diced carrot. Wash and shredded lettuce. Let's beat some egg. Got everything ready. First, scramble the eggs and chop them into pieces for later use. Frying the eggs with the rice creates a golden grain effect. Using this method results in golden, separate grains. Add the diced carrots and corn kernels, and stir-fry until fragrant. After stir-frying until fragrant, set aside. Then add the sambal potatoes and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the rice and break up any clumps with a spatula. Stir-fry until evenly combined. Add the stir-fried eggs, corn, and diced carrots. Season with salt and pepper. I added an extra teaspoon of turmeric powder for more fragrance. Add shredded lettuce just before serving. Toss gently, and it's ready to enjoy. If the fried rice won't be eaten immediately, it's best to leave out the shredded lettuce. Stir-frying shredded lettuce with the rice can easily make it soft and affect the texture. The reason I add it while stir-frying is that my family is hesitant to eat raw shredded lettuce. Everyone can adjust according to their own taste preferences. This sambal potato turmeric fried rice bursts with bold Southeast Asian aromas. Fiery chili notes meld with earthy turmeric, while golden rice grains cling to tender potato chunks in a satisfying wok-kissed harmony. Sweet corn and carrots pop with freshness, contrasting crisp lettuce that cuts through the richness. Each bite takes you on a sensory adventure through vibrant spices and comforting textures. Golden rice and potatoes provide quality carbohydrates, while corn and carrots add dietary fiber, achieving an ideal balance between energy and digestion. Scrambled eggs contribute protein for a complete nutritional profile. Turmeric powder contains curcumin with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Capsaicin in sambal promotes metabolism, making natural spices a health-enhancing advantage. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.